Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, based on my personal experiences. Here at Rome Tips, we're comparing HSBC USA and Regions Bank to help you decide which one best suits your banking needs. Let's explore the features and determine which bank best fits different profiles. HSBC USA is a global banking institution with a significant international presence. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and various loan options. A key advantage of HSBC is its robust international banking capabilities. For frequent travelers or those who conduct international transactions regularly, HSBC is an excellent choice. Their global network and services, particularly the HSBC Premier account, provide perks like dedicated customer support, reduced fees on international transactions, and convenient global ATM access. However, HSBC's physical branch network within the US is somewhat limited, primarily concentrated along the coasts. This might be a drawback for those who prefer in-person banking services. Additionally, some HSBC accounts have potentially high fees unless specific requirements are met, such as maintaining a minimum balance. Alternatively, Regions Bank is a regional bank predominantly located in the southeastern United States, with a broad network of branches spanning multiple states. This makes it a very attractive option for individuals who value in-person banking and easy access to physical branch locations. Regions Bank provides a range of checking and savings accounts tailored to various financial needs, including several low-fee options. Their Regions Life Green checking account is particularly appealing for fee-free banking, though it might require maintaining a minimum balance. Regions Bank is also well regarded for its customer-centric features, including helpful budgeting tools, excellent customer service, and a diverse selection of loan products with competitive interest rates. In conclusion, if you require global banking access and are comfortable with limited in-person banking options, HSBC USA is likely the better choice. However, if you prioritize regional accessibility, strong customer service, and low-fee banking options, Regions Bank could be a more suitable fit. Be sure to check the description for links to both banks to further research and choose the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Remember to like and subscribe for more financial tips from Rome Tips.